Welcome to While You Were Pooping. Today, we're tackling one of the most awkward and oddly relatable bodily functions, stomach growling. You're sitting in a quiet room, maybe a meeting or a lecture, and suddenly your stomach decides to make a noise so loud it could wake the neighbors. But what actually causes this? Let's break it down.
While you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping, yeah. While you were pooping.
The technical term for stomach growling is borborygmi. It's the sound of gas and fluids moving through your digestive system. Your intestines are constantly contracting in a process called peristalsis, which helps push food, liquid, and air through your gut. These movements are happening all the time, but when your stomach is empty, the sounds become much more noticeable because there's less material to muffle the noise. Stomach growling isn't just a sign of hunger. It can happen even when you've recently eaten. Sometimes it's just your body clearing out leftover food or preparing for the next meal. Other times, it's simply the result of swallowing air while drinking, chewing gum, or talking. Certain foods can also make your stomach noisier. High-fiber foods, carbonated drinks, and artificial sweeteners can increase gas production, leading to louder borborygmi. If you've ever wondered why your stomach seems extra vocal after a big salad or soda, now you know. While stomach growling is perfectly normal, it can sometimes indicate digestive issues if it's accompanied by pain or discomfort. Conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, or food intolerances can make intestinal noises more frequent and intense. But for most people, it's just an everyday part of digestion. If you're trying to keep your stomach quiet in a silent room, eating small meals more frequently, staying hydrated, and avoiding excess air intake can help minimize the noise. But ultimately, it's a natural and harmless function, just your digestive system doing its job. So, the next time your stomach growls at the worst possible moment, remember, it's just a sign that everything is working just as it should. That's all for today's episode. Join us during your next poo when we drop another nugget or two for your enjoyment. And when your friends ask, "How do you know that?" just let them know you learned it while you were pooping.
Yeah. While you were pooping, while you were pooping.